We're now going to answer this past exam question. As you can see, it is taken from VCAA, paper 2, question 6. A transition matrix V is shown below. The transition diagram below has been constructed from the transition matrix V. The labeling in the transition matrix is not yet complete. Okay, so as you can see, we've got, this month, next month, we've got this transition matrix here. We've got LTFM, and obviously that LTFM is each of these dots here, but we don't know, which of these is LTFM. So to figure out the proportion from one of the transition matrices labeled X, what's the value of X? We need to figure out what X is here. Well, we're going to have to figure out what is L, T, F, and M here. What are each of these going to be? So to do that, what I would do is I would come here and say, I've got this 0.4 here, I've got this 0.2, I've got this 0.1. Looking through here, I've got 0.2, I've got 0.1 occurring in lots of different places, but 0.4 only occurs once here, right? So I know that from M to F is going to be 0.4, meaning that this right here has to be M, and this right here has to be F, because this is the only 0.4 there. So we can immediately identify that this is M and this is F, which is fantastic. Now, the reason why that helps us out now is because now we can say, well, M to what is 0.1? All right, so hopefully this is somewhere. So I'm starting from M and I'm going to something. Well, here's 0.1. So this one here must be T. Perfect. Now, I can say I'm going from, and I'll grab another color here, I'm going from T to what? T to M should be 0.2, right? T to M is 0.2. So that's that 0.2 there. From T to M, that's there. And that really doesn't help us much, does it? But that's what it is. All right, now what we need to figure out is, I need to get to what this one is. Well, if this is T and this is M and this is F, this has to be L, does it not? Yes, it does. So that means that I'll come over here and this one here has to be L. And what I want to figure out is something that goes back on itself. So L to L, right? I need to go L to L. It's going to be this one. L to L is 0.6. So my answer will be C. So hopefully that makes sense on how we approach this and how we kind of broke it down. And yeah, hopefully you found this helpful.